For the first time since the launch of Bentayga in 2015, an S version is now available, reflecting feedback from the huge number of customers that enjoy the dynamic performance of their Bentayga on-road. Building on Bentley's established brand, the new enhanced sports Bentayga provides an even more engaging drive, with Bentley Dynamic Ride Active Anti-Roll Control fitted as standard and an enhanced sports chassis mode. A 15% increase in damping stiffens the chassis and provides a platform for a more dynamic sport mode escape tune. Bentayga S also features a revised visual presence through the distinctive addition of black details, and a more sporting soundtrack courtesy of a newly designed, free-flowing sports exhaust, both of which increase the Bentayga's already imposing presence on the road. The Bentayga S is distinguished by a range of distinctive exterior features, including new unique 22 wheels with 3 finishes, innovative badges positioned on the lower edge of the front doors, and blackline specification as standard. The profile has increased presence due to the larger rear spoiler, gloss black side sills and lower bumpers, front and rear. Dark tint lenses to headlamps and tail lamps, black door mirrors and black split oval tailpipes complete the striking exterior. Inside a luxuriously refined cabin, a unique Bentayga S style can be found using new seats, unique stitching, a new color split and Alcantara to reflect the striking exterior and increase dynamic ability. Color accents on the instrument panel, center console, door pads and seat bolsters as well as Alcantara to seat cushion and back inserts, steering wheel and gear lever, give the Bentayga S a bold and contemporary style. Badges can be found on the passenger fascia as well as new graphics in the driver's instrument panel and illuminated tread plates, denoting the model. Bentley's sector-defining and market-leading luxury SUV is available in 4, 5 or 7-seat configurations, and since it entered the market in 2016, more than 25,000 customers have taken delivery of a Bentayga. The 4th model in the Bentayga range joins the efficient plug-in hybrid, the 4.0-litre turbocharged V8, and the powerful 6.0-litre, 12-cylinder speed.